About 12, 18 months ago, I was presented with an idea of this show of Men of Harlech, telling the story, the thousands of years of history here in Harlech Castle. It was history that was taught to me and then entrusted to me to bring alive in this castle, and that's what we've done tonight in a very exuberant, exciting and untraditional way. We've started here on Bendigeveren's Rock with our Zulu capoeira style dancers, harking back from that film Zulu, which finishes with Men of Harlech and has a very Welsh theme to it. Then we work our way through Edward I and building the castle, arriving in their hard hats and their high vis to the sounds of a rap and beatbox soundtrack. Then working our way through Owen Glyndŵr, the rock god, the Welsh rock god of ages, playing on his guitar and cheered by millions as they scream below him. Then we move through for a large period of history, hundreds of years of the Wars of the Roses, depicted with Welsh tumpath dancho and Callan remixed for us as they beat each other with sticks and flags. Then we go through a period of death and decay here at the castle, where the castle was wanted not by the English and not by the Welsh, but it was wanted for its stones and its wood, and it's deteriorated and was not loved and not wanted. And then we move through to the big finale with our Men of Harlech parading in as new life came into this castle into the 19th century. And with that, we celebrated with a new anthem, Arwyr, Heroes, again written by the students, with music by Owen Llwyd, to celebrate this castle, to celebrate this history of the great nation of Wales. It's been a phenomenal effort. 8 schools from around Meirionydd, kids aged between 11 and 15. We've had about 20 artists working with them. Rap, beatbox, jazz, rock, choral, tumpath. We've had dancers, we've had choreographers, we've had fight directors, we've had visual artists, we've had digital artists. The number of workshops must be now in the hundreds, working at the schools from around Meirionydd, and then all coming, focusing for today here at Harlech Castle.
Oh, it's fantastic, brilliant, well worth coming. We come all the way from Bala, so it's brilliant, well worth it.
Totally amazing in English, but in Welsh,
Arbennig.
da iawn.
Fabulous.
Oh,